Today we talk about Hannah, the mother of Samuel, the fourth character in the Bible, and the first book of the Samuel. There was a man Eliakim, the tribe of Ephraim. He had two wives, Hannah and Peninnah. Peninnah got children, Hannah none. So every time they used to go to Shiloh, to church, or we can say the house of prayer. Then Hannah also accompanied with this Eliakim. Then Halagat was praying very desperately in the house of the prayer. He was crying like anything, and her lips uttering only, but not sound was coming. So Eli was on the in the house of the Lord, and he saw the lady is sitting and uttering the words and not praying. So she said, "Drunken woman, stop your drama and be sober." But she said, "I have been not drinking in my life. I am a very miserable woman, and I don't have a son." So she said, "The God of Israel will like this," he said, "Go in peace. The God of Israel fulfill your promises, what you ask for." After worship, they went to their village Ramo, and after 9 months she gave birth to the son Samuel. Samuel, with Samuel, she took the Shiloh, that is the house of God, and she, while saying that Eli, she said to Eli, "Sir, do you remember me? Because I am the person who was crying over there and praying for me, and I prayed for this son, and I got. So I dedicated to him till his life, and he will not cut his hair." So he dedicated the Samuel to Eli. He was serving God under the supervision of Eli. This simple story tells us that the woman was crying for his misery, and God has answered her very timely. He has taken too much time to heard her prayer. But when prayer turns into tears, so God gives the more important that tears. So many times our prayer cannot go on kneeling or something. We pray, but we don't have too much faith, too much trust in the God. So God give answer late, but God finalize your prayers, give the answer, but it takes time, because He is omnipotent, omnipresent, and almighty. So He can take His decision that nobody knows. In this story we ask the message. The Eli, the prophet, he was in synagogue or house of prayer that time, and many nowadays pastors, priests, and all the religious fellows are not remaining in the church. Means remaining in church means they are not given enough time for the God. And another, that lady Hannah's character is that we are stand instead of that Hannah, we should cry ourselves for getting our misery into joy, getting problem into fulfillment. So God wanted in this story that We should trust Him. We should wait for His answers. We should pray Him. We should go to house of the Lord, and we should pray personally to Him in a synagogue, in a church, or at home or something. So this is the message today.